Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a Discord guilds tag easily. So step 1, open your Discord and go to the server where you have permission to manage the settings. Step 2, click on the down arrow next to the server name and choose the server settings. Step 3, go to the community section and enable the community features if they aren't active yet. Step 4. Under the server discovery or this title or customization tab, you will find the guild tags or server tags option. Step 5. Click the edit tags and then enter the keywords or categories that describes your server, such as anime, gaming, or tech tag. So take note that you should need a nitro and boost the server to be able to create a server tag. Step 6. Save changes and your server will now appear in search results with those tags. Using guild tags, make sure that your server more discoverable and attracts like-minded members. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.